Working from home taught us a lot. And sure, we missed our colleagues and workplaces while we were perched at kitchen tables or tucked away in makeshift studies. But as we re-emerge from our homes, we're more appreciative of the outdoors and are looking for ways to make up for lost time. Well, here's one way. Camplify is teaming up with Zorali to help you to try a new way of working for a few days or a few weeks. We've gone ahead and kitted out some of our vans, calling them Earth offices, so you can work without walls, having blue skies and starry nights as your ceiling. Say goodbye to your collection of fun video call filters, be the envy of the office, with a real landscape as your background. At Camplify, we've got thousands of vans, Earth offices, ready to roll. So welcome back to Work-Life Balance. Welcome to Earth Office.